how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a Christmas tree. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, so hopefully you're ready for it. That's it. Yeah, I'm going to walk you through it, so if you're a beginner, this is the place to be. And that is all. So let's get started, okay? Before I do that, if you like learning how to draw anything in the short format, like the 10-minute format, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I go over stuff like, Godzilla characters, Among Us, Pokemon. I go over everything you can think about in like these 10-minute videos. All right, so let's get started, okay? Stay all the way to the end, by the way. It's only an 8-minute video. I forgot to mention that at the beginning. So let's start with a star at the top of the tree. I'm going to draw a triangle at the top. Out over here. Out over here. Out over here, out over here, right? You got that star shape right at the top. And it's easier to go from the top and then kind of make your way down than it is kind of the other way around. Out over here for one prong of the tree here, over here. Pulling down again, larger. Pulling down over here, larger out, pulling out a little bit. Same thing, larger here. And over here. And just kind of keep it going as far as you want. And then around the base, you can put a lot of these prongs that I'm putting out here. Right? You're putting a... line down, line down. And you got the stem of the tree here, right? The wood portion of it. And let's crop that off the bottom. Real simple, right? Real simple stuff so far. Just kind of pulling out. The whole thing's a general triangle. And I'm going to throw a line across and another line across for the I guess garland, right? You call it? Line across here. Line across here, just these two lines, but you're kind of rounding them out. That's good enough for those. And then I'm going to go over here and draw a circle, 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 circle. And these are the ornaments on the tree. And you're just picking random spots and try to make them random. Sometimes people do them like in a line, like just see that's too much in a line for me, and I just did that. So I would try to make some run into that stuff as well. All right, we have that. Incredibly simple stuff. Let's jump into the color real quick. I'm using Prismacolor markers. So Prismacolor, the reason I use this is because if I use the other one, it will be a little weird because when I use the other one, it will smear. See how I'm touching the black marker right here? See how it's not smearing? It's not smearing because it's Prismacolor. If it was this brand, the Crayola brand, in the yellow, it would smear. I don't know why. They smear with each other. I'm good with using this for the black, but I don't use it to color unless I'm filling in like dark spots, and that's kind of it. Otherwise, it's kind of problematic. Let's go over here and color the tree stuff with this green. And I'm trying to color everything flat. Again, you can use crayons, you can use colored pencil, you can use anything you like. I actually love colored pencil. I actually prefer colored pencil, but the reason I use marker here is because it's quicker in a demonstration. That's the biggest reason why I use marker. And I'm going over here, and I could go over it like really quick like this, but it'll leave these weird strands. Like in the marker, like in like you put like. So I'm trying to like go over it a couple times to make the color solid, and I actually recommend that for you to kind of make the color as solid as you can. So Christmas is fun. Let me know what your Christmas plans are. I'm curious. For me, I'm gonna do a gift exchange with friends of mine, like a small one, a real small one, and then I'm gonna go and probably do some with my family. Like a little hangout, nothing too wild. And yeah, that's kind of it, really. Nothing. I'd like to go check out some of the decorations in town. Like the mall will put up this big tree. There's a hotel that puts up a big tree around here, and that's kind of what I'm gonna do. I don't know what you guys are gonna do. Let me know in the comment section what you're gonna do. I know Christmas. I don't think I know Christmas is bigger on shopping, right, than Halloween. But I always, as far as the internet goes, I always feel like Halloween is more like people are more excited about it. But I don't know. That's just me. Maybe I'm totally wrong. If I'm wrong, let me know. Uh, but yeah, let me know what you're gonna do because that's kind of a good thing, right? You're kind of learning about uh, the holidays and stuff like that. It's fun to chill. Well, I mean, it's fun to like relax basically because I know a lot of people got school off for like more often than not, and I'm over here just kind of chilling out. There's one right there. We can take a red. Hold on, do I have a red over here? Well, actually, I'm gonna take a brown. I'm gonna take a brown for the bottom here for the actual base. Let me know if you like me coloring. By the way, I think coloring is really important for the Christmas stuff. Let me know if you like that. Let's see. Let's go over here to the. I'll do the red, and for the red, I'm going to just pick a couple of these randomly. Fill it in red. I know for me also, I'm trying to do more roller skating. That's my. I know it's not really Christmas based, but there's a lot of Christmas events for roller. What do you call it, for ice skating? So I'm very very excited about that, and that's another thing I'm gonna do. Other than that, I think it's mostly just a chill, amazing time of year, and I'm really happy about it. I'm gonna put an orange here for the. Am I pronouncing that right? Garland? Is that what you call it? Garland? I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that. I think that's something else, right? Can somebody tell me what is this strand called? I'm not gonna look it up. I'm not in front of the internet, so I'm not gonna look it up right now. But somebody look it up and tell me what it's called. The thing I'm coloring in right now. And let me get like a blue. I would say lastly, I would get like a blue, just to color in. There we go. The remaining ornaments. I want to thank you very much. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the demo, the little demo. If you thought it was quick enough and simple enough. And that's it. Hopefully you guys have an amazing time, and let me know what else you want to see in the drawing lessons below. What else? If you want to learn how to draw, you see my full hour-long lessons on like portraiture, on portraits, on anatomy, on very advanced stuff like that, but taken for it's very advanced, but it's set for a beginner. Like if you really want to learn how to draw in general, like overall, go to Skillshare, go to that link in the description right now, click on it. The first few people get Skillshare 100% for free for a month. Go check that out. Thank you so much. I will see you next time.